whereas the cheap dark horse effectively hides the Chief's robust and well-integrated shapes beneath its shadowy black finishes. The Chief Classic lets this goodness shine through, rendering a more retro-looking ride in the process. Starting with a common silhouette, the Chief adds chrome wire spoke wheels with throwback whitewall tires, glossy paint finishes, replete with contrasting striping and bright trim, and polished chrome engine covers, fork assembly, headlight nacelle, instrument panel, handlebar, and controls. Like the Chief and Chief Dark Horse, a solo bucket seat is standard on the Chief Classic. Underneath the B25 Mitchell Thematics lurks a network of electronic rider assists, including a tire pressure monitoring system, keyless ignition with push-button start, cruise control, and anti-lock triple disc brakes. Everything about the Chief Classic seems outsized, with a wheelbase of 68.1 inches, a foot longer than a 1.00cc sport bike, a 29-degree steering head angle, and 6.1 inches of trail. Translation: hard to turn around in your buddy's driveway but ultra steady on the highway, and a claim curve weighed just a bag of sugar shy of 800 pounds.